Wednesday recap. Uh, so going over yesterday, just real quick, Tuesday recap. I passed another funded, so now I'm on two 50Ks, and now I am copy trading on that on Tradeovate. So that's good. Part of me really wants to get the third one because MFF only allows you to have three accounts, and so if I just get another one, like I can probably pass it. If not the first time again, the second time probably. So I'm thinking of doing that. Not sure, but yeah, just so going into the day, right? 8:30, we draked up like this, right? And so we displace with this high and versus gap or whatever. So we have this high, and this gap. Problem is that as soon as we got up to here, ES took out these two highs. So we had an SMT. ES didn't yet tap into this big 4 hour gap yet, but there's an SMT at the highs, giant displacement up. And so with this giant displacement, I would rather take longs, but since there's an SMT there, everything's kind of just lower probability. Um, so already going into the day, I was pretty sure it's probably going to be a no trade day for me. Um, and yeah, it wasn't, oh no, oh my God, what the fuck? It was a no trade day for me. Holy shit. So yeah, looking on the 5 minute, right? We created this giant 5 minute gap. I expect this to hold, yes. Would I take anything in this? No, because there's an SMT at the highs. I don't like the trade to SMT highs or lows. So had that in mind. So market opens right here, right? Right here. We sweep all these lows, we get some shitty ass displacement. Then we come back down, we sweep deeper, and then we get this V shape. Not a bad trade to take to like these highs if there was an SMT, but again, not a trade I would take just because this gap is so big. We could this is equilibrium I marked right here. We would probably retrace to here, and then if I got like an inverse, probably still want to take it. I still would wait for displacement above a high like this, and so now what do you wait for, right? We swept this high, but we still have a higher target. And this is me analyzing as if there wasn't an SMT there. Um, yeah, because like that's because I wasn't taking any trades just because SMT was there. Um, so what are we looking for, right? We displace above these highs, place above the highs, or whatever. ES edges this 4 hour imbalance. I like that. Um, and so we have a 5 minute gap right here, and I want us to tap into that, get some rejection out of it, and blah blah blah. You know. ES ends up tapping into the 5 minute. NQ doesn't, so there is a small SMT, and then we get this big candle up. Um, Honestly, yes, it is bigger than the bearish candles, and there's an SMT, and we did get a 5 minute gap tap, but I'm not taking that. Even like honestly, even if there was an SMT, and these two bullish candles afterwards are not strong bullish candles. If there's another strong close, like that might be reasonable, but my opinion is not good. On the 30-second though, I don't have holy shit. I don't have access to the 30-second chart, but there's a 30-second inverse right here. That would definitely be enough for me because there's an inverse gap right here. But on the 1 minute there was no gap to be inverse, so didn't take that. And then yeah, we sweep out this high, go higher, whatever. We look like we're still going, we still want to go higher, but no, at this point, ES is tapped into the 4 hour gap, the giant 4 hour bearish gap. So, am I taking longs? Like absolutely fucking not. There's still an SMT up here too. So absolutely not taking any longs. But what we did do is we tapped to a 15 minute and we got this candle and this candle. And just because this candle was so high, stops that have been down here. Yes, you could target here, but even that wasn't a 1-to-1. So this is just like not it. What you would wait for was a retrace. We retrace, right? And wait for that gap tap and then target that high. Or I guess this is probably one. Yeah, 1.2. That would be the trade you would take. But then again, why did this fail? Not only choppy conditions, but also because ES is in a 4 hour gap, you get SMT, all that shit. And yeah, just it's been chopping. And honestly, probably from here, um if we get through this gap, which is might be an hourly now. No, 30 minute. If we close below this 30 minute, I expect us to go deeper into this gap. And then we might get longs there. Like that would be an okay spot to get longs. Um, but then again, like I'm not trading that. It's not market open, So yeah, honestly, in my opinion, pretty shitty day today. No A+ entries whatsoever. Um, the best setup was that 5 minute or that 30-second inverse from the 5 minute gap tap on ES, which I would say probably is like a B+ setup, literally just because the SMT is there. And um and yeah, that's really it for today. I'm excited. I'm on 250K though, so that's nice. And now the payout will be I only need 4 winning days on the uh what is it? What is it? On my original funded. So a day later I might get the other payout, but still nonetheless, I'm funded 100K right now, and the payout would be 2.4K for both of them. So I don't know. I'm hoping in the next uh hopefully like the last 2 days are good. I just hope I get one good trade by the end of this week, and then one good trade, two good trades next week, and then all I need is one or two trades the week after that, and I can get the payout and I can buy more accounts and size up and all that crap. So, yep, just the name of the game is just patience. Setups will come, and yeah, honestly, stay confident in what and whatever is working and like however the market is. I don't want to change a single thing in how I view the market anymore. I don't want to learn anything else because I just understand it so thoroughly now and it works for me, Like the majority of the time when I'm not entering a trade because, something feels off, like that gut feeling or something, or not even gut feeling, just like the logic, I'm majority of the time right. So I'm just gonna keep doing what I'm doing and I will get those payouts and I will get more funding and I will be getting 100K months and I will be getting more than 100K months, all in due time.